Have you ever stood near a railway track and noticed the rough layer of stones spread all along the line? At first, it looks almost random, like someone just dumped rocks there and moved on. But those stones are not there by accident. In fact, they are doing an extremely important job every single day, quietly holding one of the heaviest transport systems in the world together. Railway tracks carry enormous weight. A train is not light, and when it moves, it does not just rest on the rails. It creates pressure, vibration, and movement across the ground below. So the real question is not just why there are stones there. The real question is why railway engineers trusted stones in the first place, instead of simply placing the tracks directly on the ground. The answer is simpler than you might expect, but also smarter than it first appears. Those stones are called ballast, and ballast is one of the most important parts of a railway line. It may look ordinary, but it helps support the rails, hold them in place, drain water away, and absorb the force created by passing trains. Without it, the whole system would become unstable very quickly. The first reason is weight distribution. Trains are extremely heavy, and that weight needs to be spread out evenly. If the rails were placed directly on soil, the pressure from the train would push down in certain spots, causing the ground to sink unevenly. Once that happens, the track can become misaligned, and even a small shift can be dangerous. The stones help spread the load across a wider area, so the ground underneath is not crushed in one place. The second reason is drainage. Water is one of the biggest enemies of railway tracks. When it rains, water can collect under the rails. If the base stays wet for too long, the soil becomes soft, weak, and muddy. That makes the track lose stability. The stones solve that problem because there are spaces between them. Rainwater can flow through those gaps and drain away instead of sitting under the track, so the ballast acts like a natural drainage system. The third reason is stability. Train tracks must stay in a very exact position. They cannot shift easily from side to side or change shape under pressure. The sharp edges of the stones lock together, creating a firm base that helps hold the sleepers and rails in place. Every time a train passes, the track is pushed and shaken, but the ballast resists that movement. It keeps the rails aligned and reduces the chance of the track bending or sliding. Another important job of these stones is absorbing vibration. When a train moves, it creates a lot of shock and shaking. If the rails were resting on a hard surface with no flexible base, that force would travel directly into the structure and damage it over time. The stones help absorb some of that impact. They do not stop the force completely, but they reduce the stress on the system. That means less wear, less damage, and fewer repairs. Now here's something people don't think about very often. The stones also make maintenance easier. Railway tracks are not permanent in the sense that they can never move. Engineers sometimes need to adjust the height, alignment, or level of the rails. If the track were fixed in solid concrete everywhere, repairs would be much difficult. But with ballast, workers can lift, reposition, and correct the track more easily. That flexibility is a huge advantage in railway engineering. So why not use sand or plain soil instead? Because sand shifts too easily, and soil changes when it gets wet. Both materials can become unstable fast. The stones are better because they stay firm, drain water well, and do not compact too tightly. They give the railway line both strength and flexibility at the same time. That balance is the reason they are used all over the world. Here's the surprising part. Those stones are not just there to support trains. They also help reduce weeds and keep the rail bed cleaner. Because the surface is rough and dry, it's harder for unwanted plants to grow through the track base. That's one more hidden benefit of a system that already does so much work. So when you see a railway line next time, remember this. The stones underneath are not decoration. They're not just lying there to fill empty space. They are carrying weight, draining water, reducing vibration, holding everything in place, and making repairs easier. A simple layer of rocks is helping a train system stay safe and reliable. Sometimes the smartest solutions don't look complicated at all. Sometimes they look like ordinary stones along a railway track.